Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download video from Facebook Ads Library. So first you just have to go to Facebook Ads Library or Facebook.com/ads/library, and you should see this page right here. And all you have to do is just simply look for the specific video that you wanted to download. It's up to you what country or what category. For me, I just click all and then look for ads and type the specific video that I'm looking for example, cooking. And all you have to do is scroll down here and then look for that video that you wanted to download. So let's just say I wanted to download this video. So all I have to do is to right click and then look for inspect. For example, this video right here. So let me right click this one and then inspect. Then you should see a box on the right side. You can see here elements, console, and other things. But what you're going to do is you have to locate a link here that has a video word and double click. Once you double click, you just have to simply copy and paste it to other link tab. You have to click or open another link tab, paste it, tap this three dots, and then download. Wait for a couple of seconds and go to downloads folder, and you should see this video that you have downloaded from your ads library. If you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. If you want us to create another tutorial, please do comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.